guys, it's Cheers. Welcome to my channel. Today I will unbox the Vissel vacuum that we just bought. So, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Today we're gonna unbox our new Vissel power lifter swivel pit vacuum. We got it at Walmart. So we open it. Check what's inside. So it has this manual. You have to read that manual. You have this. You got the filter, the pickup for pit. But this is for pit vacuum. This is the kind of lint roller. And this goes. I'm gonna find out and we gonna connect this symbol, this vacuum, guys. So I'm gonna symbol it. You're too close, then. Long cord. What is it, guys? That's a nice one. So, there's that handle. This is the handle. And we get the tool to connect it. It goes there. Yeah. And I'm gonna screw there. And there's some reading. And there's there. The attachment. Some goes here in the back, I think. Which one that goes in the back? I don't have the symbol is later. It goes there on the side. And the filter. So where are the holes, the screws to connect the boxes? And the screws, it was here, taped on the handle, guys. So we're gonna use that to screw over here so it's gonna come off. So what we're gonna do is to connect this hose over here. Push it, and then the other end goes. Yeah. Can you hold it, Patrick, please? So it goes here, and then it goes on this side. There's a thing here you have to align, so it will go there and twist it and tighten. Twist it to the right to hold it there. And now this one goes here to hold it, to wrap this cord. And we wrap this around first. We already put our this thing. The screws. So 2 screws, guys. Get this off. Align this over here in this hole. And we're gonna tighten it. Press it to the right to tighten it, and the other one a Phillips screw. And then that one. So this is it, guys. I'm gonna use it later. So it comes with an extra filter, guys. So when you empty this one, you just click here to unlock and pull. So this is the canister. So this is to empty after you vacuum. Just press and empty it. It's washable filter, and the filter over here goes. So it comes with a Febreze filter. So it goes over here. Like it. So filter. Oh, okay, guys. So you just pull it up. The filter is over here. Have to wash it. So it's washable filter. Like that. Then go back in there. Let's stop. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe. Thank you. A pretty long cord, guys. This is cool. So this is the one we wrap our tools over here. We wrap it around. Go down, go up. Go down, go up. Until you wrap it all around. It's really a cool vacuum. So we're gonna try with turn on and just plug in the screws. So this swivel, guys, this thing swivel. So the swivel. How do you turn this thing on? So we're gonna then there's the label for your carpet, first, second, third, fourth feet. So depend upon the height of your carpet. So mine is this one is the area rug. So I'm just put it one and little spot of vacuum. So I'll show you the dirt that picked up. Look at that, guys. So it's a good vacuum for $100. It was $130. It was on sale for $109. Oh, it's $98 plus that.